Hey guys, welcome to Post Flight. Today we're going to talk about symbol KR, Kroger, I think it's a grocery store. As always, the reason why we were looking at this chart was because of the daily chart. The majority of the plays that we take all are based on the daily chart. And if you look up here, you can see that the day before we had broken out. Now, today we were looking for it to continue higher, and so we said, hey, if we can find any sort of relative strength on this, or if we can find any support, we'd be willing to play it long. Well, all morning it just continued to drop right back into support. So there was no plays for us all morning. We didn't see any extra sign of strength in the morning, and we decided to take some other plays. However, just before lunchtime, we saw it drop right into that support area that we talked about, and we said, okay, over 25.50, we'd be willing to take a long. Well, after a little hesitation here right around 25.50, we were able to get that bounce, and we took our play with an entry of 25.53, and we just decided to give it a 10-cent stop. We could have maybe made it an 8-cent stop to be fair, but we usually round up in the first flight room, and just to give it a few extra pennies, just in case. Well, we figured that if we take this play at 53 and have a stop at 43, that we should be able to make it to the prior highs based on the daily chart again. And if we get there, then that would be just over 3 times what we risked. So we would make $300 for every $100 that we put at risk. Well, all through lunch, we did go sideways a little bit, but we pretty much just started that move up. And although it wasn't very exciting until the very end, this was a consistent uptrend that continuously provided us profits. Well, as we got up here over 80, we said, okay, well, we have 3 times what we're risking. Let's try something. If you just want to day trade this, go ahead and take your profits once you've made 3 times what you've risked. That's a fair reward for this play, and we hit our target. What I decided to do is to take 2/3 of that, and essentially 2 times what I had risked, and I was going to leave 1/3 of it on to see if, maybe tomorrow we continue higher. We did finish the day with a nice bottoming tail, and there really is nothing overhead to block us. And so with a bullish day in the market, maybe we see Kroger continue to make new highs. So given that we have 1/3 left on the play as a little swing play, we're really not risking much, and we're not going to make a whole lot off of it unless this thing blasts off to 27 or something, but that's probably not going to happen. So we're holding this one overnight, and the point of the story here, or this trade, is to show you that, well, first of all, not every trade is a huge, ridiculous winner. But second of all, if you are a swing trader, there are lots of possibilities for you in the first flight room. We do a lot of day trading, primarily day trading. However, I always call out all of the swing plays that I'm willing to do and what I'm going to do with them. So here's one of the plays that we talked about in the room is, hey, if you want to hang on to some of it, let's see what happens tomorrow. So that was our play. It wasn't the only good play today. We actually had a lot of good plays today, and it's been a really, really good week so far for us. So we'll see what happens here. Just thought I'd bring that up to you. Also, don't forget on Wednesdays, every Wednesday we do a lunchtime lecture. It's completely free to everybody. Anybody that would like to join, you just go to our website and you can log in starting at 12 o'clock. And the cool part about doing our lunchtime lectures is you're welcome to stay for the rest of the day. So you could take part in some of these trades with us, absolutely free. Alright guys, I hope you're enjoying these videos. I'll try to do a video to follow up, show you what happened with this swing trade, and talk to you soon.